I don't really wanna fall in love with a freak hoe. Yeah, she a freak hoe.
Ballin' so hard, they gon' think I got a cheat code. They gon' think I got a cheat code, yeah. Man, I swear I be so faded.
YouTube, your boy is back with another video again. See what I'm saying? This one gonna be lit. See what I'm saying? Today I'm gonna tell y'all, right? I'm thinking about getting the next tattoo. See what I'm saying? I don't know what I want yet. I'm thinking about getting a bird for my next tattoo. See, I got like 1, 2, 3, like 6. But yeah, I'm thinking about getting the next tattoo. See what I'm saying? But before I tell y'all all of that, right? Like and subscribe to this. Like, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. And make sure you turn on notification bell, so every time I drop a lit video, you will know. But like I was saying, I'm thinking about getting the next tattoo. Thinking about getting a bird. I always wanted a bird on my back. See what I'm saying? One big eagle. See what I'm saying? Yeah. And then I was thinking about getting one there. Getting one tattoo say, when you go up and you can come straight across. See what I'm saying? But like, drop in the comment tattoo y'all think I should get. See what I'm saying? I get it now. See what I'm saying? Or if y'all think I should not get an next tattoo. See what I'm saying? But yeah, just want to let y'all guys know, because y'all know, y'all my fans, keep me doing this, staying on my grind. So yeah, just telling y'all. That's what I was sitting there just thinking. See what I'm saying? Especially the devil, you know, that you gotta stay clean. See what I'm saying? Gotta stay clean. But yeah, I was thinking about getting one little bird. You know what I'm saying? I know. One little bird, one little eagle. Yeah, so I can fly away like an eagle. Caw-caw, caw-caw, caw-caw. See what I'm saying? So yeah, drop in the comment. Tell me what tattoo y'all think I should get. Should I get the bird? Or get some ratings? See what I'm saying? Let me know. Let me know what y'all think. You see what I'm saying? You know y'all my fans. And yeah, so yeah. Or y'all want me to get one little, you know, some stars. You know what I'm saying? Y'all want me to get some stars? I kinda like stars. Let me know, like I said, drop in the comment. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, just the end of the video. Keep it lit, guys. I'm out.
Alright guys, that's me something like this with your big red one on my back. Tell me if y'all like it. Well, just the end of this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, keep on notification bell, because I'll be coming back and back and back with a little prank. You see what I'm saying? Till you staying on the grind. KJ out the cut.